Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura MDX battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new 12-volt battery. It's also wise to use safety glasses and gloves for protection. A memory saver can prevent your vehicle's computer settings from resetting, which is a helpful step to consider before you begin. Now, let's remove the old battery. You'll find it under the hood, usually on the right side, often hidden beneath a plastic cover. Carefully remove any covers or air intake parts that block access. Always disconnect the negative battery cable first with your 10mm wrench, then the positive cable. Finally, loosen and remove the battery's hold-down bracket. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. These batteries are quite heavy, so lift carefully. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable connectors to ensure a good connection and prevent future corrosion. Place your new battery into the tray, making sure the positive and negative posts are correctly oriented. Secure it with the hold-down bracket, then connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both firmly. To finish up, reinstall any covers or air intake components you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is securely in place. Now, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember, old car batteries contain harmful materials, so please dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center or an auto parts store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.